Hi, and welcome to my channel. My name is Erin. I'm a clinical aromatherapist here at Erin's Herbs. On this channel, I do weekly uploaded videos teaching you how to create your very own skincare products from the comfort of your own home. So whether or not you have never made skincare products or you have some experience, I hope that you will find this channel very informative. So let's get started creating. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a face pack. This formula is very easy and is something that you can make at home. What it will do for the skin is it's going to help to unclog the pores, removing any impurities and absorbing excess oil, making it great for acne and oily prone skin. To make this face pack, I'm first going to be adding some bentonite clay into my beaker. Now, this clay is going to help to really get down into the pores, open them up, and remove any excess oil and any bacteria, blackheads, or any impurities, resulting in healthier looking skin. Next, I'm going to go ahead and weigh out some alma powder. This is also known as Indian gooseberry. It is rich in vitamin C. It's going to act as an exfoliant by removing any dead skin cells. But what it will also do for the skin is it's going to be great for fighting acne. It has some antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. So it's going to help to prevent future breakouts. It's going to remove the bacteria that causes acne, as well as soothing the skin, reducing any redness and any puffiness that you might find when you have acne. Now, some other things that alma is good for is it's going to help to reduce any sunspots or dark spots present on the skin. It's also going to help with just evening out the skin tone. It is great for all skin types. Now that the alma powder's been added, I'm going to go ahead and add some aloe vera gel to this formula. This is going to provide some hydration as well as moisturization for the skin, but it's also going to be very good for regulating oil production, fighting bacteria, and helping to soothe irritated and red skin. Because the aloe vera gel is mostly comprised of water, I am going to go ahead and add my preservative. The one that I'm using today is Optifin. This is a broad spectrum preservative, and it will help to keep all of the bad microorganisms like bacteria, mold, and fungi from growing in this product. Once the Optifin has been added, I'm simply going to stir all these ingredients really well. I want to make sure that that aloe vera gel that I added is nicely incorporated throughout the other ingredients. You will encounter some clumps as you're stirring, but the more you continue to stir, the more those clumps will break down and you'll be left with a really nice feeling texture at the end. Before I go ahead and package my face pack, I wanted to go over what the difference between a face mask and a face pack is. Now, this gray one is a face mask, and it is made up of actives, water, and clay, and it is suitable for most skin types. What you will see here with the face pack in the brown is that it has a much thicker consistency, almost like that of a pudding, and it is made up of fruit powders, clays, and some sort of water content, and it is suitable for oily and acne-prone skin. So now that I'm done creating this face pack, I'm simply going to be putting this into my container. Now, I created this formula to make approximately 2 applications or 2 ounces of finished product. Now, I did want to reiterate that this face pack is for oily and acne-prone skin, and it's going to gently exfoliate the skin while removing any impurities as well as hydrating, softening the skin so you're not going to be left with dry, flaky skin, but yet it's also going to help to balance the pH of the skin. Now, depending on how oily your skin is, you can use this face pack up to 1 or 2 times a week. I'm now going to go ahead and apply this face pack to my skin, and you're going to want to make sure that you wash and dry your skin before you apply this on. When you're applying this, make sure to avoid the eye and lip area, and you're going to allow this to completely dry. It usually takes about 10 to 20 minutes. Once it's dry, like I'm showing you here, there's no shininess and it's not transferring onto my fingers, then you're gently going to follow up by using a warm washcloth and removing all of the face pack from the skin. Now, this, like I mentioned before, can be used up to 2 times a week, and you will notice a difference in the skin as far as how clearer of a complexion you'll be left with. It's great for really pulling out any impurities from the pores. As far as substitutions go, here's what I have for you today. For the bentonite clay, use French green clay. Instead of the Alma powder, Fuller's Earth is a good option. I have used that before in past formulas, and that works really well. When it comes to the preservative, really any broad spectrum preservative that is suitable for use in skincare would work here. Now, for the aloe vera gel, I have not found a substitute as of yet, so I don't have one that I would recommend. Again, this formula does make 2 ounces of product or 2 applications for the face pack. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to see more DIY formulas, don't forget to like and subscribe.